The Amazon forest in South America is the largest rainforest in the world with a huge area of up to 7 million km2. It is considered the lungs of the earth. There are ancient trees of very large size here. To be able to exploit and process such giant trees is a difficult task. Please watch the entire video to see how people exploit it. Introduce in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the air is thick with humidity and the sounds of wildlife echo through the dense foliage, a remarkable story unfolds. The journey to exploit giant trees in the Amazon really begins. 2. Tree exploitation. The journey begins with a team of skilled loggers, each tasked with cutting a tree. We are seeing a guy equipped with modern machines. He navigates and chooses the most majestic and largest tree in the forest. The first step is to assess the circumference of the trunk, a task that requires precision and expertise. With a tape measure in hand, he recorded the circumference of this giant tree. It's not uncommon for it to measure up to 30 feet, a testament to nature's grand scale. After careful measurements, our workers begin to remove things around the base of the tree to facilitate cutting the tree. For these workers, they have many years of experience to be able to exploit large trees like this. It took him about 30 minutes to finish cleaning the surrounding area before starting the main work. The cutting process starts from the base of the tree. He must calculate each cut accurately to make the tree fall in the desired direction. Hours passed, and he was finally about to cut down this giant tree. With a resounding crack, the tree succumbed to gravity, falling to the forest floor in a cacophony of splintering wood, revealing amazement at the raw strength and ingenuity of man, and with it the undeniable majesty of the natural world. He only had time to rest for 30 minutes and had to continue working. Currently, he has about 4 hours to cut the tree into pieces and wait until the next day to transport these giant logs. This cutting process requires a lot of effort as it cannot be cut easily. Transporting wood. Once the logs have been cut, specialized logging machines take on the enormous task of transporting the large logs. These mechanical marvels can handle logs weighing up to 20 tons each, moving through dense foliage with precision. Equipped with powerful engines, they traverse rough terrain with ease, ensuring a smooth flow of wood to the processing site. These machines not only streamline the logging process but also minimize environmental impact by reducing the need for manual labor and preserving fragile ecosystems. Four, processing. This ginkgo tree is an ancient species, having existed for millennia in the Amazon, dating back about 270 million years. After transporting them to processing facilities with high precision, artisans turn them into high-quality wooden items. Craftsmen cut sections of the tree's trunk delicately, aiming to minimize the impact on its structural integrity. Using both meticulous craftsmanship and modern machinery, they crafted these giant logs into massive planks. Each board is a testament to the strength of the tree and the exceptional skill of the carpenter. Their expertise allows them to maintain the beauty and integrity of the tree in each piece. The process requires patience and respect, creating wood that tells a story of resilience and lasting strength. These timber processing facilities are situated in close proximity to logging sites. Utilizing advanced technology and precision engineering, the facility transforms large logs into a myriad of products. Central to its operations is a highly efficient saw that maintains the integrity of the logs, capable of cutting through trees up to 15 meters in length with remarkable precision. On a daily basis, it handles a considerable volume of wood, initially cutting it into robust panels which are subsequently fashioned into intricate furniture pieces. Besides its considerable scale, the factory operates in an environmentally sustainable manner, reducing waste and optimizing the utilization of every piece of wood. Technique of making a beautiful water hyacinth from rich red sandalwood that requires precision and dexterity. Every step in the process, from choosing the perfect piece of wood to meticulously carving intricate designs, requires expertise. This red coarse sandalwood log is prized for its brilliant crimson color. Artisans have sculpted a masterpiece, infusing it with cultural symbolism and aesthetic elegance. With their 20 years of wood carving experience, they turned this precious wood into an exquisite water hyacinth, a testament to the combination of tradition and art. It is a journey where every cut, every curve has meaning, creating a captivating creation that fascinates with its beauty and fragrance. We proceed on our journey to a wood sawmill in Southeast Asia, where they craft exquisite planks from aged logs. The wood of choice is cheesy wood, exclusive to Asia, boasting a lifespan purportedly spanning thousands of years. Within the workshop, the transformation of cheesy wood into delicate boards is a captivating fusion of precision and artistry. State-of-the-art sawing equipment ensures remarkable accuracy, slicing through the wood with astonishing precision, yielding boards as thin as 1/16 inch. With a daily production exceeding 500 flawless boards, this process harmonizes supreme craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology, yielding truly remarkable outcomes. Crafting rosewood into wooden panels requires the ingenuity of machines and craftsmen. The cutting process uses a high-tech saw that can cut through rosewood with an accuracy of 0.1 mm. These machines operate at impressive speeds, processing hundreds of rosewood logs per hour, ensuring efficiency in production. In the center of the carpentry workshop, a super large log was transported to be crafted. Standing tall on the factory floor, this giant saw works at full power, cutting through logs with precision and power. Crafted by skilled artisans, the giant tree trunks are tamed by equally massive saws, each a testament to human ingenuity and the raw power of machines. With the ability to process logs of enormous size, this lumbering giant produces wood at an impressive rate. Turning ancient trees into useful materials for construction and crafts. Standing tall above the wood mills, the Holzbolter Extreme 80T Druck has impressive processing capabilities. It ensures a steady supply of processed wood for various applications. Edmiston Sawmill with advanced technology and skilled workforce ensures high-quality lumber output, promoting economic growth. Pallet production lines are the backbone of lumber's manufacturing operations, creating essential components for the logistics and transportation industries worldwide, meeting customer needs efficiently. Weighing 60 tons and standing 12 meters high, it plays a key role in turning raw wood from logging yards into usable wood. These giant wood cutting machines boast incredible precision, processing hundreds of logs every day, turning towering giants into products for human consumption. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel to support us.